Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to turn on or off sleep mode in Samsung Galaxy A17. If you're using A17 and you want to turn on or off sleep mode, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to open your settings app. In settings, just scroll down and look for modes and routines option. Just tap on it, and here just tap on sleep option, and here you must have to tap on turn on, and your sleep mode will be turned on. You must have to tap on this OK option, and here you can easily make a simple setup of your sleep mode. So if you want to turn it off, you must have to tap on this option again to turn it off. So you can see there is a sleeping option in your quick center. So that's how you can easily turn on or off sleep mode in your Samsung Galaxy A17. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.